What is that?
Yeah, that's a background.
It's a water.
Yeah, it's water in the background. Okay, let's start. Just sit down. Just look at the camera. Okay?
Okay.
Hey guys, what's up? So karon we're back at it again with a new video, and I'm here with Crishel and Areej, and we're gonna open this box right here. Another Munchpak box. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so let's open the box.
This is honey.
Okay, so I'm just gonna open the box. Yeah. Did you hear the candies inside?
Yeah.
So, what's inside is...
Candy.
So, that's a booklet that it comes with. Israel, Germany, Netherlands.
A lot of Munchpaks.
Yep. And then here's the candies. Okay. Who wants to pick first?
Me.
Okay, let's... Crishel, pick one. Which one's gonna taste first?
I like bananas. And
Okay. So our first snack is Bamba strawberry flavor snack.
I love strawberry.
You love strawberry? You like strawberry too?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's open this one. And then
Please don't explode.
it's not gonna explode, okay?
Because
You
when
pick
I
one, then don't eat it yet, okay? Don't eat it yet. So this one,
Probably getting into
Crunchy?
my hand.
okay, let's cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers! Okay, let's eat it. Do you like it? So, is it a thumbs up or thumbs down? What? A thumbs down for you? You don't like it? Is it good or no?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
But it's a thumbs down. Okay.
No. This is.
Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs down if you don't like it, thumbs up if you like it. What is it? So it's a thumbs up for Ate Crishel. How about for you? Oh, thumbs up! Okay, so for the next snack, we have Great Lakes potato chips, buffalo wings flavor. So let's open it up so you can try it. Okay. Grab one. I don't eat it yet. We have to cheers. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is the potato chips.
Kind of spicy.
Is it spicy? Yeah, it is spicy.
I don't like spicy.
You don't like spicy?
Do you like it, Areej? Is it spicy?
Yeah, I like spicy.
You want spicy?
You like spicy?
Wow!
So is it a thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down? What is it? What is it? What is it?
What is that?
Hindi yung mga ka-distract.
You might have pepper.
You tasted pepper? You still wanna eat that?
Yeah, jelly.
Woo, jelly!
I
So
don't like
the
the
next
jelly.
snack is Maynard's Swedish berries. Asha, do you like gummies?
Yeah.
You like gummies?
I am a gummy bear. Yeah, I love it. I love gummies.
Grab one, don't eat it yet, okay? So we're gonna cheers. Okay? Let's cheers. Cheers.
Sticky.
It's sticky? Yeah, it's sticking to your teeth.
It's sticky my teeth.
How do you like it? You like it? How's the taste? Is it sweet?
I don't like it, Daddy. It's good. It's sweet. I don't like it,
May konti
Daddy.
sweet. So you don't like it? So is it a thumbs up or thumbs down?
I don't know what you're eating.
Are you gonna thumbs up? Thumbs down? Oh, is it thumbs up?
Yeah.
Tag na ron niya.
You almost finished it. Also, I want to another one.
Oh, you want another one? Okay, here, eat another one.
What about Areej?
You want two? You said, oh, you don't like it.
I don't like it.
Okay, you don't like it. Okay, let's move on to the next snack. Our next one is chocolate. It looks like it comes from Japan, because you know Japanese characters. So let's open it up. There's butter and chocolate in there. I don't know what flavor this is. So, oh, here's chocolate bar. Okay, let's
I believe
half. Okay, don't eat it yet. Okay, don't eat it yet.
I got one
Oh.
caramel.
For you.
Yum yum.
Wait. Okay, cheers. Cheers. Ikaw na niya. It's like a protein bar. Do you like it? How was it?
Tastes like chocolate.
Is it chocolate? Does it taste like coffee or something?
Tastes like chocolate.
Do you like it, Areej?
Yummy.
You like it now?
Thumbs down or thumbs up?
So thumbs up or thumbs down? So is it thumbs up for you? Yeah, thumbs up.
Coffee shell. Thumbs up.
Yeah, it's a thumbs up. Show the camera. Thumbs up. Show the camera. Alright, show the camera. Thumbs up. Yeah, it's a thumbs
I
up.
got double thumbs up.
Double thumbs up for you? So you like it a lot? Okay. Yeah, oh, Areej finished the chocolate. Whoa.
How come I did it so fast?
You
Yeah,
still...
no one.
Do you want to drink water?
Drink water, Areej.
Areej won. Because Areej finished it first.
Yay!
So for our next snack, it's Kit Kat Gold Caramel.
Hey, I tried caramel ice cream.
You tried caramel ice cream? How do you like it?
It was good. It had chocolate in it.
The ice cream has chocolate and caramel too. And is it your favorite ice cream? What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
It's my favorite ice cream.
What? Chocolate caramel is your favorite ice cream? How about you, Areej? Do you have a favorite ice cream?
No,
No? You don't like ice cream?
I don't want. Oh my! You're a baby.
So let's open the Kit Kat
I like the
Gold. Woo.
I love cold. My too. No, actually, I love hot.
Okay, so let's just half this.
Wow.
Okay, one for you,
Mm.
two for you. Okay, wait, don't eat it yet. Okay, let's cheers. 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 Okay. Never mind.
I don't know what to pick.
What? You don't know what to pick?
I
It's not delicious.
It's normal.
It's not yummy. Wait. Are you confused?
Ew.
Ew. Is it ew, Areej?
Yeah.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
Is
I
it
don't like it.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Oh, molecules.
Oh, is it a thumbs up?
Turn it down.
Is it a thumbs up for you? Oh.
My
You like the Kit Kat, right?
I like
So it's the thumbs up for you.
I tried a lot of Kit Kat when I was going to the lake with my twin.
With your twin?
Yep.
You have a twin?
Yep. Her name's Crishel.
Oh.
What's your name then?
Crishel.
Your twin's name's Crishel?
Yep.
Parehas like ngalan.
She's 6 years old.
Ah. Twins of
So-
name.
So she is older than you.
Yep.
Okay.
How old are you? 5?
Yeah, she's 5. And how about Areej? How old are you, Areej?
She's 2.
3.
How old are you, Areej?
2.
3.
She's 2.
Let her answer. Ay, pag-walk by.
She's 2.
Like third actually.
She's 2.
She's 2, Areej is 2. I thought Areej is 3.
Yeah, I just 2.
Oh, Areej is 2. Okay.
She's a
Sit
baby.
down properly. Cubetti.
That's a funny
The next
name.
one is Cubetti from Italy. Hazelnut.
Hey, no Italy.
You know Italy? What do they have there?
It's Italy country.
Oh, Italy is a country. No, Italy. Okay, so
There's a little bit of crumbs coming from here.
yeah, it's okay. Here, one for you. Okay, don't eat it yet. Let's cheers. Cheers.
Chocolate.
Areej, is it good?
It's like Nutella.
Shoot my camera.
Yeah, I eat Nutella and goldfish.
Nutella and goldfish?
Yeah.
So, which one do you like better? Nutella or goldfish?
Nutella. It's
She eats
chocolate.
Nutella with gold. She eats
Yeah.
goldfish with Nutella.
Wait, is it a thumbs up for you? So, do you like it? You love chocolate, right, Crishel? How about you?
I got 2 of them.
Areej, do you like it? Yeah. So, Crishel has 2 thumbs up. How about Areej? Is it thumbs up for you? How many thumbs up? Oh, just 1 because you're still holding your food. Oh, chocolate good na, buang. 7 days cake bar.
I like cakes.
You like cake?
Ew.
Oh, you like cake! Oh!
We're having cake today.
Yeah! We're having cake because it's Tito Mamar's birthday. Here's the cake. It's a beautiful cake.
I like the swirls.
You like the swirls?
Yep.
Okay, you sit down. You sit down. Okay, sit down properly. Okay. Wait. Okay, don't eat it yet, okay? Don't eat it yet. Don't eat it yet.
I'm watching her.
Okay, so let's cheers. Cheers.
It's the whole thing.
It's so soft. Mm-hmm.
I know that it's whole thing. This is that. This
You ate the whole thing.
is
So do you like it a lot? You really like it? It's so soft, right? It's moist too. So ang cake, it's moist, sweet, mura siyang fudgy bar. Hey Areej, do you like it? You're just licking your cake.
It's supposed to eat it.
Do you wanna bite your cake? No? You just wanna lick it? Yummy!
I win, so I ate because I ate the whole thing.
Yeah? Oh! Lago siya! You don't like it? Okay, so our next one is Prince Choco Jammies. Red chocolate na siyang na-jam sa tunga.
Instead of chocolate. No, no, no.
Okay, so are you excited to eat this one, chocolate? Okay.
I'm a vampire.
Oh, you're a vampire? Yeah, ako pangag!
I don't. I don't.
Okay. One for you,
I'm watching.
one for you.
Is this jam?
Yeah. Wait, let's cheers. Don't eat it yet. Cheers.
I just ate the jam.
Mmm. Do you like jam, Crishel?
It's strawberry jam with waffles.
With waffles?
Yeah, strawberry jam with waffles.
You always eat that?
Yep, for breakfast.
For breakfast?
Yeah, I always eat that.
So that's your breakfast. How about Areej? What's your breakfast, Areej?
Fun.
Just milk. I'm just gonna answer for Areej. Do you like it, Areej?
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Yung food coma naman si Areej, eh. Hindi naman kamalo. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who finished it first?
It's me. I finished it. No, I finished it.
Oh, okay, nobody's the winner. Sige, mag-away. Okay, so is it a thumbs up or thumbs down? So, thumbs up! So, sour bites. Ano siya?
I thought there was sour bells.
Sour belts. Oh my god.
Siya mo ba sa kita
I'm
mo?
so bugo. I'm so bugo. It's sour belts.
No, it's sour bells.
It's not sour bites. Tito is so bugo.
I told you it was sour bells.
Okay, so I opened it.
It was actually
Okay, here.
it was actually a sour belt because it was long.
Yeah, it was long.
You're silly.
Cheers. Cheers.
I like the
Let's eat
pink
it.
one.
Let's eat it.
This color's hot pink.
Mm-hmm.
Color's hot pink.
Mm.
That's his favorite.
Mm.
Doesn't taste sour.
It doesn't taste sour, right? Well, it's a bit sour.
Sour.
Yep.
It is sour. Did you taste the sour?
No.
No? Is it just sweet for you? Yeah? What happened to your face? What happened to your face? Is it sour? You like that? You like that? You tasted the sour?
Yep.
Irish face.
I win. I win.
You don't like it, Areej? Okay, we're on to our last snack in here.
Doritos.
There's no more snack in this box.
Doritos.
Our last one is Fritos, and then there's like a $20 coupon. I don't know what's that. It's La Casa de Papel. I don't know. This is probably from Spain or something. So
I see a teddy
let's
bear. over
open.
there. I see a teddy bear. I do.
Okay. Distracted kids sa background. Okay, here. Grab one. Okay. You have it. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, let's eat. It's nothing like cheapy. This is like a bland.
Green.
This is like a bland cheapy.
It's lemon.
It's like, oh, that's why it's like a bit of sour.
Oh, wow.
Do you like it? You don't like it? So it's a thumbs down for you. You like it, Areej? Show the camera. You like it? Oh, you're still eating yours. But it's so cute.
Yeah!
Yay! Areej finished! Yeah, she finished second.
I finished first.
Yeah, Areej is second place. Yay! Yay! Areej finished.
I'm the tallest. I'm the tallest.
Okay, wait. Basig mahulog ka. Ayaw na. Okay, so what's your favorite snack in the box?
Me.
Which is your favorite?
This one.
This one?
You like? That's your favorite? Which one is your favorite? This one? Is your favorite? Okay, so Crishel's favorite is the cake. Then Areej's favorite is the chips, which Crishel doesn't like it. Okay guys, so moro na mo ang video. Salamat kis paglantaw, no? Like, comment, and subscribe if wala pa mo naka-subscribe, and if di mo ganahan. You burp? Oh my lord. And if di mo ganahan sa akong video pero mo or mo leave og dislike, mag-like niyo yung video. Pero kung kulata sa thumbs up button. So yes, moro na ako ang video.
I'm gonna go.
Wait. Peace.